Asafuna ukubuya sesifuna ngathi singathi yazini sesilungiselela umsebenzi oh uthefoko nje okay Watiteli
wemfazi wami
ngizokuxelela uthi lamandla tani
ngizokuxelela
uthi lamandla amandla wami wona
sezindleleni
awutheliwe tali
Thank you, Kabuza. We had to bring Kabuza for that. There's something she does with the song when she's singing it that...
Togoza for.
Is that 4 already, Mkhulu? Did you do 4? Guys, did you get 4? Why do I feel like I got 2?
It was 4.
Yeah, no, guys, these voices, we are blessed with such beautiful, powerful voices. You know. So Mkhulu, give us a brief of what is it about the songs that speaks to your emotions? Or ama emotions akamkhash?
Togoza. These songs, they map up. It's a roadmap of my journey. It's izigaba engihambe ngandlula kuzo, izigaba ezihambe zanzima kwi-journey yami, izigaba ezihambe zangikhulisa ekukhuleni kwami. Ezinye lezi ngoma izona ezingenze ngakwazi ukuthi ngibekezele. Sivale kule stream sokuqala wethonga lami bese angizenzelanga. Mesibuya ngahlupheka. Umuse ekuthwaseni uyahlupheka. I guess for me abantu bebeyitshela ukuthi kuzoba lula ukuthi ngithwasela ekhaya, and it was difficult at times because I needed to always remind myself ukuthi ngisekuthwaseni nanoma ngingena endlini ukuthi nanoma ngibona usofa ukuthi angeke ngihlale esofeni, because when it started I think for the first month kukhona la ngazikhohla ngihlele esofeni ngibheka iTV ngikhohle ukuthi konje ine red skirt, and then umfana wami wazongibuza baba I'm like what, like baba what, and mina bengayizwisisi ukuthi ukhuluma ukuthi uhlele esofeni. Ukuyayibona lento le. I needed to adjust from those things just to transition from ukuthi angisekho ekhaya sengisephehlweni, and ukuhamba ngiyolala ezindumbeni instead of ngiyolala ekamereni kwami. That was one of the things bekunzima kubuhlungu, ukuyabona, but I knew ukuthi this is the journey that I need to walk. This is the journey abantu abadala bathe ngiyithathe, and I needed ukuthi ngibe nokubekezela ukuthi ekuhluphekeni kwami kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi umvuzo uzobukhona. And I guessing udeliwe ingoma kaMkhashwa. Mhlambe ngelinye ilanga uyongitshela ukuthi udeliwe wakhe kwenzakalani udeliwe wakhe. Because ngoba abogogo abomama abaningi bayayithanda le ngoma. They can resonate with the song, ukuyabona. One day Mkhashwa will let us know ukuthi uchaza ukuthini, ngoba ngizwa bathi uke wathi hayi sekagcina ukuyicula ingoma ndithi amakhulu ukuthi hayi sekazoba nezingoma zakhe mhlawumbe uzongipha njengoba sekangipha ingoma ezihlukahlukile. Kodwa yeah, it's one of those songs, and zinde indlela inyoka zilele endleleni. It's also those challenges, those trials and tribulations ohlangabezana nazo ukuthi zinde lezi nyoka zihlele zilele endleleni. Ilanga liyangishonela ngifuna ukuya ekhaya kodwa kunzima ngoba lezi nyoka zila. It might be challenges that you are facing. It might be abantu who are blocking you from what you needing to achieve, uyabona, empilweni yakho. Lokho kuyizinyoka kodwa but obaba omkhulu bayangibiza, bangibizile kulomsebenzi, sebangibiza manje ukuthi ngibuye ekhaya kodwa angikwazi ukuxhumana nendlela yami, angikwazi ukuxhumana nalomiyalezo abawuletha kumina ngoba nazi inyoka zilele endleleni. And ngesinye isikhathi kusuke ngasimuntu ohlele endleleni yakho, kusuke kuwena uqobo who's on your own path, uyabona. You are blocking your own path, you are blocking your own success. Ngesinye isikhathi kufanele ukuthi you need to wake up within yourself, and sometimes just nje uzichannel, uyabona, uzibuyise echannelini ukuthi ke hey na indlela uzikhumbuze ukuthi njengoba kunzima kubuhlungu kunje indlela ekufanele ngidlule kuyona kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi kuyikuphi la ngifuna ukuya khona, because once you know ukuthi kunabantu abakubizayo ngale, it doesn't matter ukuthi ehlathini kukanjani akunandlela, uzokwazi ukuthi fanele ngilandelele le voice that is calling on the other side. That will be your destination, that will be your compass. Uyabona ukuthi uhlale ngaso sonke isikhathi uzikhumbuza ukuthi kuyini ekwenze wangena ephehlweni. Into yokuqala ekwenze wangena ephehlweni, ukhumbule ingulo yakho ukuthi kubhlungu, kunzima, kumnyama, kunjani, ukuthi yini ekulethe la, khona uzokwazi ukuba nalemvuselelo ngaphakathi kwakho.
Yes.
I think what was the third one? That was 4.
Yeah, but
Moya, it touches my heart. I think the very first time ngizwa umkhashwa within me as nginyembezi, that was the song. Uthi ngihlushwa umoya, ngihlushwa ilo moya, lo moya uyangihlupa. That was the first time ngiconnecta naye ngaleyo ngoma. That's the song. Uthi nanoma ngishaya ngesinye isikhathi ihamba ingibuyisele kuyijeni, ihamba ingibuyisele, uhlehla ngamadolo, uhlehla kuyi-pavement, uhlehla ukhwebula, ubiza labantu abadala uhamba nabo, ugcine ungasabuzwa ngisho nalobu buhlungu abanye abantu mebakubheka bacanga ukuthi kunobuhlungu, ugquma ngedolo, ushaya ngedolo phansi, wenzani ukuthi ususe edlozini ngaleso sikhathi. That was the first time ngale ngoma ngixhumana nomkhashwa. Then that is why mengicula le ngoma ngizama ukubuyela ngiyoxhumana naye futhi again, ukuthi ake angihlebele ukuthi manje njengoba sesila ijeni iya kuphi, ukuvuselela yena umkhashwa uqobo.
And I know people say, Mkhulu, sing some more. Guys, you need to understand, singing is very strenuous, and he's playing drums with his hands. And so that's why we interlude. Ne? That's the term. We interlude with speaking so that he can also, again, not strain his voice. But you guys, you need Spusiso. I don't know if Spuso can come. Spuso kulile, siya we can try. You need to understand, Guti, even the things that we've shared about Spuso singing or siya, it's in the moment. You know, it's in the moment, and ubababu utwasile, so it's easy for him to draw on that ancestral spirit to show forward. But for the kids, we can't say siya because they're not making and doing performances. You know, our kids don't perform; they get and become spirit led. Because sometimes we ask Buso to say, "Buso, please come and sing," and he doesn't want to sing. He will find his rhythm and he will find his way. You know, so just understand, Guti, as much as it could be so heartwarming and so encouraging and so brave of Siyabonga and so Ketla like for him to show up and sing. But if he's being a child.
And it's just to also allow them to be kids.
Yes.
Sing about overwhelming umsebenzi, because sometimes siyakhohlwa singabazali ukuthi hey sikulo msebenzi then woza uzokwenza umsebenzi, even when there is no need, then bagcina futhi bahamba ba-resenta lo msebenzi. Into esifuna ukuyenza ukuthi kufanele bazi ukuthi mokuyikhathi vele ezifanele ukuthi bazi mekuvuke amadlozi inini, then lokho fanele bakwazi ukuthi fanele beze. Kodwa mengabe ama-streams and all that, then if ever they feel like coming, then siyabamukela ngezandla ezimhlophe. Kodwa asifuni ukuthi sibahlukumeza, even if njengoba kuneyikolo and all that mhlambe bakhathele, they just want to sleep, they just want to relax nje and play ngamafoni or just nje bahlekane laba khona. Kodwa
and be kids, you know. It's and then it's overwhelming for them to have parents who are out there. So sometimes we actually have our kids live in their own shadows and they don't imagine what their gifts are about. They might be gifted in what their parents have, you know, passed on in their genes, but is that what they want to follow, you know, or is their calling being called to be something else different, and that the music and the talking that they have gotten from their parents, something that actually enabled and opened up things. So we're saying we're going to ask Sia to sing, but I've asked him several times, and Sia, are you going to sing? Oh, Sia says he's going to sing. Still in Gomagasi. Sia? Still in Gomagasi. No, it's cool. Mame. Ayiko. Yeah.
Yeah, fanele sikubizele Mkhulu Mkhatswa nomkhanya kude nezocula nabo.
So Mkhulu, give us songs that made you proud of your journey. Like uqedile, you are done. Now these songs would say, I'm proud of where I come from. I'm proud of my process. I'm proud of what I've accomplished. I'm proud of my support system. I'm proud of those people who walked with me on this journey. Proud songs.
Chokos. For some reason, sometimes nginokuzibuza ukuthi why ngiwumculi kodwa ingoma zingibalekele ekhanda when put on the spot mhlambe ingendlela abaculi ingoma I think ingoma yenkani uthi angisho ukuthi ngizayicula abantwana ingoma yenkani ukuthi yangikhipha inkani yanginika lamandla yangenza proud ukuthi it's not only me. When we were in a journey, I think abantu benginabo kwi journey we had a certain spirit, a never die spirit, and na even sometimes noma kuhlehlwa noma sigijimisa inkani, we would challenge each other. I think amadlozi wethu would challenge each other, because that is why we always say ukuthi yazi meni kwi journey nibaningi. There's a reason for that. As much as singamagodwana singeke sazi, but labantu ababunganyele ndawonye abahlanganele ndawonye ngaleso sikhathi kuna something abayenzayo, and there was that electricity when sicula lezo zingoma, when sihlehla ekseni sivusela, uyabona kulezo zingoma kwaku khona that electricity that just keeps you alive. Kuti na noma when you can feel in your spirit ukuthi another one is getting tired, but as you look into their eyes, as ukwebula, you just like you transferring some energy into them. As you look into somebody's eyes, it's like they transferring the energy. Mengabe you are losing yourself in that moment. Mengabe uthi uphuma in a trance. Inganbo yang nika lawo mandla.
Asipose. The reason we pause in Ghana is because kunabokoka bakhalela inkani, even though basasithunyweni, but some things phela idlozi sekuthiwa alina remote control. That's also why, guys, we sing and pause, okay? Please understand, we sing and pause because we're being supported by Ingani Zedlozi. So we can't sing indefinitely, non-stop, because they're gonna go into trance. They're gonna evoke, because ibakhumbuza ngenkathi bazalwa ngayo. Because that's why we sing, we pause and take a break. It's just to make sure that we can be able uguti ingati yabo something so I think if you can give us a few other songs. I'm sitting here and I'm like, can you sing one of my favorite songs? I heard somebody else says, please in Daba Daba. I heard somebody says, Mkhulu, please kula ingwenyama yavusela amadlozi. Mina I hear ubab Gejani ati isemalwandle. I hear ubab Gejani ngiyambonga ugobela wami. I hear I understand.
Ngambela phambili then bengiseza lapho ukuthi I think another song is the relationship Mkhatswa has no babu wakhe umzala edlozini. I think sometimes it puzzles me, because noma ngabe ngithukuthele kanjani, but once kufika leso sikhathi Mkhatswa kayingeni indaba yami. Sometimes nokusho ukuthi sometimes yazi nokungilahla yena ume kuyisikhathi sakhe. Akanandaba ukuthi mina ngiyakhala, mina kunjani, yena mekafuna umsebenzi wakhe uyawenza. And one of the songs iyo lena uthi ungiyambonga baba wami uye wangiyenza ngabanje, ambonga uyise wami uye wangiyenza ngabanje, baba wami uye wangiyenza ngabanje, ambonga uyise wami uye wangiyenza ngabanje, ngiyena namhla uye
Hey. Shine the lamp, gosh.
Yeah, that's the journey, and I think Mkhaswa always tries ukuthi the bigger picture, always the bigger picture. It doesn't matter what is happening today, but concentrate on the bigger picture. On the bigger picture, and that is what I'm trying to understand at all times, because he's not a man that speaks all the time. He's not a man who comes with messages. He's a very quiet man, and for me to listen to him, I just need to listen to his silence. That's what I've realized. Listening to his silence, it gives me tranquility, and it makes sense. And I'm still trying to even learn meditation so that I can be able to connect fully, because I think if ngakwazi kanjalo, that's where I can be able to connect naye Mkhaswa, because he doesn't talk. He doesn't talk, and when he talks, it's seldom, but when he talks, you would hear him. Kuzobe kufanele ukhuluma ngesikhathi esifanele.
Wants to sing. Let him sing. We say, come on now, Mkhaswa, sing. Come on, Mkhaswa, sing. My morning, my morning, Hey.
Makhosi. Yeah, this is the moment where nomuntu acela sacela amanzi.
So there's Ukoko. I forgot your name. If you're on the stream, give yourself a shout out. Ukoko Cele that sent us a song, 2 songs, and asked us to sing those songs. So Koko Cele, if you're on the stream, give us a shout out. Say hi, it's me. I send you a song. So we are willing to learn songs so that we can be able to feed people's souls with the songs and feed our souls as well.
Siyabonga kakhulu ngoba ukufunda ukukhula mesingafundi singeke sikhule kodwa sengithunywa abantu abadala manje bathi ngindlulise umyalezo ukuthi izolo bekugujwa usuku lokuzalwa lwendlovukazi ezala abontungwa umama uzala thina uqobo thina abontungwa sithi bathi happy belated birthday mama kungaba yiphutha ukuthi singakhulumi ngalokho sibungaza izwe leAfrika celebrate abantu abadala celebrate umakhumalo la ukhona siyakucelebrate nathi namhlanje sithi khula ulingane nendlovu ukhuluza ukhokhobe ngathi umuntu omdala ophezulu angasibekela wena ukuthi ukhule uzokwazi ukusikhulisa ngaso sonke isikhathi sibiza wena makananda la ukhona sithi awukukhule usikhulele nathi sibonge imiyalo neimfundiso zakho namhlanje mesizosho leli culo leli elikhuluma ngomama ngiyazi ngiyababheka ukuthi bangikhumbuze ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuqala
Dili yoko DJ. Which one?
Le besiyenza namhlanje
Umama.
Mengisebuze
Umama. So we're looking for Gogo's song Yaga Mama.
I think umkhasho umphusha gogo athi happy birthday umkhasho athi happy birthday
Yana.
ukhumba iyona le yabona ukuthi kunjani life is life izokubhayisa life sizasho sithi gogo ngale ngoma sisho kusithi ngicinga umama ngemine zinzima ndicinga umama ngemine zinzima ngicinga umama ngemine zinzima ndicinga umama
Ngemine zinzima.
ngicinga umama ngemine zinzima ndicinga umama ngemine zinzima ndicinga umama ngemine zinzima ndicinga umama Give me Siyabonga. I think ngale ngoma it just sums it all. Ayidinge ukuchazwa ukuthi yazi mekunzima ukukhumbula umama, ucabanga umama ukuthi nje ebunzimeni obukanje ume khona lokho kuncane okungaphuma emlonyeni wakhe, it will make a huge difference kwisimo obhekane naso. And I think kuyinto ebalulekile ukuthi we need to celebrate abantu besifazane, izindlovukazi, our queens, ngoba okuningi sikwazi ukufinyelela kukho ngoba kunaleyo nsika yekhaya. Bare bathwara thipa kobuhaleni abe kuyibona abaqinile, umuzi uyaphila. Yabo mama, siyazibongela thokoza. Ingoma zibuye mina zingibalekele
Your network ya freeze. Thina lami nisendleleni.
Unalam lesendleleni
Ngafa.
Olesendleleni
Ngafa. Ngafela. Mkhatswa, I cannot thank you enough for your time, for Mhlambe, guys, if this you're feeling what we're feeling in this space, maybe because this is the season finale. We've had season 1, this is season 2 of Karanga Productions. Conversations, healing conversations with Koko Dineo. That actually we close every season with this because it blesses us. We close every season with Mkhulu Mkhatswa. And yes, he might have not sang all the songs, but there's another time. We'll close the season again with him. Give us a shout out if this is what you want. Thank you deeply, thank you kindly to Abak Pete, those who've gifted you the gift of music and that you can heal and bless us in this way. So we've got one minute Mkhulu Mkhatswa. Valelisa ngengoma.
Yitabamba yo.
Valelisa.
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 Yitabamba yo.